Hello, I'm going to show how to use Keynote to create a digital card sort activity, and I'm going to start by opening up the Keynote app. I'm now going to tap on the blue plus at the top of the screen and select Choose a Theme. I'm now going to tap on the basic white template. From here I select both boxes and tap on Delete. I'm now going to tap the blue plus and add a square shape, and this is going to be the category or the group that you want items to be sorted into. I can then tap on the paintbrush and change the text size within this box, and I'm going to make it at the top of the box, and double tap to enter text, and this one is going to be called odd numbers. Now I tap on this whole square and copy, and tap on the white space and paste. I can drag that one into position, and I can then double tap on the word odd, and I'm going to change that to even. Then again tap on the paintbrush and change the style, and the fill colour goes to red. Now using the same menu, I'm going to do the plus and shape. I'm going to add some more squares. I'm going to change the style to an orange colour, and I'm going to change the text size to 80 this time, and it's okay in the middle and centred. Now I'm going to double tap to enter my number. Let's go with 82. And now I'm just going to tap on the orange box and copy, and then tap elsewhere on the slide and paste to get multiple numbers. And now I can edit these, so I'll have 4 different numbers for the pupils to organise into odd and even. I'm going to add one final box now to the bottom of the slide, and this is just simply going to be a name box, so that if pupils do complete this activity and are then sending their answer on, I know which pupil has completed which answer. And again, paintbrush at the top allows me to change the style and the colour of the box, and that will give them a space to write their name. Now the key to this is that I don't want pupils to move the blue or red box, so I can tap on the blue box, then select the paintbrush at the top and choose Arrange, and tap on Lock at the bottom. That then gives you those grey X's around the outside, which means you cannot manipulate the box. Now that I've created the card sort, I can use the ellipsis at the top of the screen and share to share this with pupils through any number of means. Once pupils receive the presentation, they can swipe away the panel at the left hand side, and as long as they don't press play and remain in edit mode, they will be able to move the orange boxes into the category that they think is most appropriate, depending on the task that's been set. And once finished, pupils can take a screenshot of that and then forward their answer onto the teacher or to other pupils in a group. So that's how to use the lock feature to create a card sort activity in Keynote. Really good for card sort, sequencing or Diamond 9 activities. I hope you enjoy trying this out in your own classrooms.